Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and confirming the device is safe to work on. Remove any case and SIM tray. Inspect edges for water or battery swelling because those signs change your approach. Once done, attempt a hard reboot using power plus volume keys for 10 to 15 seconds to rule out a software freeze. If the screen briefly responds, make sure to back up data right away. If not, prepare basic tools for the next repair step. Now you determine whether the issue is software or hardware. Boot into recovery or fast boot. If menus appear, software is salvageable and a factory reset or reflash can fix it. Connect to a PC and use ADB or MyFlash. If the phone is detected, reflash stable firmware. If touch is dead but an external display or safe mode shows output, you likely need digitizer replacement. Make sure to document device model and firmware before replacing parts. Finish by performing the hardware repair step carefully. Open the back, disconnect battery, then remove and replace the screen or digitizer using the correct parts for your Redmi model. Reseat the display connector and check for corrosion or bent pins. Reconnect and test before sealing the phone. Once reassembled, run a full boot and touch test. If the screen still fails, try a known good display or seek a professional technician. One key tip: never power the phone with exposed connectors to avoid shorting components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.